Hello, lovelies. Welcome back. It's another beautiful day and we are making breakfast. So join me and let's make this together. These are the ingredients we are going to use. Here I have eggs, carrot, fresh tomatoes, onion, and then tortilla wraps. I have a video on how to make this at home. I'll leave the link in the description. Now let's go ahead and prep our carrot, onion, and then the fresh tomatoes. We will also add some cheese, and this is homemade. I made this myself. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys. Okay, so do go and check it up. In a bowl, I break in 2 eggs. We are going to use 2 eggs for 1 wrap. Now I add salt to it and then I mix all together. In a pan, I pour in oil, just a little, and then I grease my pan using brush. Here I pour in the eggs. I'm doing this on low heat. I'll first add the onion. And then the carrot we just grated. Fresh tomatoes, and finally we top it with some cheese. Just like I said, this is homemade. I'll leave the link in the description. Okay, you can equally make it at home. Now we cover that with our tortilla wrap. We are just using 1 wrap. Okay, just like I said earlier, 1 wrap for 2 eggs. Give it a gentle press, and then I cover the pan. If your lid has this small hole, then you got to cover that. Here I'm using aluminum foil. I'll fold it and then insert that in that hole to close it. Okay, as soon as you cover the pan, the lid will be cloudy, and when it starts to sweat, that means that it's ready to flip over. So at this point it has started sweating, so we can go ahead and flip over. Now I place my plate on it and then I gently flip it over like that. So simple and easy. Now we will go ahead, roll it, and then give it a slight toast. Just like that. So we will toast the other side too. This is very simple and easy to make it at home. Try to make this for your family, especially for your wife, kids, husband. They will definitely love it. The most excited part is that it doesn't take much time, so you can make this in the morning and then use it to serve breakfast. Now I'll go ahead and cut this into my preferred sizes. You can also cut it a little bit smaller than these ones, okay? Yummy. Now take a close look. Is it not beautiful? Not just beautiful, but yummy, yummylicious. And I'm sure your family will love it. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next video, please stay blessed. Now, breakfast is served. Bye bye.